how to transfer money using Huntington Mobile App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money using Huntington Mobile App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your Huntington Mobile App and then simply log in into your account. So log in into your online banking, and after you do that, you can then start sending money. So for that, you will actually need to use Zelle. So after you use your Zelle, you can send money with Zelle in the Huntington Mobile App. So from the mobile app, you can tap on Pay and Transfer, and then you can enroll. You can pick method, so you can pick a recipient after that. And after you pick the recipient, you can simply type in the money. You can select the amount that you want to transfer and then send the money. So there are also different scenarios you can face. That is, you can transfer between Huntington accounts. You can simply log in, click on transfers in your mobile app. Then under between Huntington accounts, click transfer funds. Then you can select transfer from and transfer to accounts. And after that, enter the amount and then proceed with that. The other option is from transferring money from bank to bank. That is from one bank to another. In that case, simply log in again if you haven't and click on transfer. Then tap on with accounts at other bank. Then after you do that, select the connect account button and select your account type, enter your routing number, your account number, confirm it, and then your account nickname. After that, click on connect account button and verify your other bank account. After that, you can then, transfer your account by selecting from and to account. You can enter the transfer amount, your transfer frequency, and transfer date. After that, you can basically transfer the money. And that's the way you can do so, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.